Super Ultimate Garage. We're going to show you guys how to assemble this thing. And for some reason it's got LOL dolls on the top with the Hot Wheels cars. Why does it have it there?
Because they're friends and they're having a party.
Oh, that's why. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to assemble this thing. Let's see how to do it. This thing actually takes batteries and the big gorilla goes up top, takes the car and spins it down. It's pretty cool and takes it up too. So let's do this. Let's build this thing. The 140 piece Hot Wheel garage. Is it 140 cars, Googles?
We need 100.
Well, 140 car garage. We're trying to install this thing. It says quick start guide. I think it's called the Super Ultimate Garage. And it's 2018. We just got it for Christmas. And real quickly to go over some things for you guys to assemble this because it can get tricky. Just showing you this. What I started off with was this flat white piece, the big base area. You can connect the other piece right on the side. It just snaps right in. And then this thing that turns, there's two pieces to this that connect to each other. And the big round flat piece that is fatter, the one that looks different, goes in first. And you can just turn it and then it goes in eventually. These two lock together. You can see it splits right up in here. And then the monkey or gorilla that just slides on the side. There is a little clip right here. That's already been snapped in. It's just that big. It's got two little prongs and it snaps in. And then you put this little gray cap in there. This piece goes on top. You have three gray pieces. They're all identical. And you would snap those into the blue area. Oh, don't forget, you do have to snap this piece in. Everything's just snap right in. There's no screwing that I've seen so far. So this big gray tower goes in first. That was the first thing that went into that, and then the orange things go in. You have three of these bars that look identical and one looks different. The one that looks different goes in on this end. When you do put these in, make sure that you put this little bump side on the inside because that's what these sit into. So the outside should be flat. And then you snap in these, once you got those three towers, the blue towers in there, you would put in the 1, 2, 3 gray ones. They snap right in. You can see when you pop one of these up. You see how that just goes right in? It just snaps right in, real easy. Then the white one goes on top, same thing, same concept. Little snapping thing. That one's not popping out. Neither is that one. All right, so you put those in. And then you got your blue one, your main blue base right here. That snaps in. Let me see if this one snaps up. Nope, they don't want to snap out. Okay, so anyways, that's how that goes right there on top. Then you got your blue garage. The longest piece goes in to here. You just slide that in. There's two of them that are long, but one is much longer. So the longer one goes in. And then after that, there is letters on the bottom here. See how it says H? Well, I started off with A. So A goes in here. Then you got B. And then this one can get a little tricky right here. That's the only one that has two different ones, how they go on different levels. If you could read the alphabet, you can snap them in together real easy. So then it goes around and keeps snapping in, and then when you're there, you're almost done. So I think I got a couple more pieces, and then I'm done from there. I'm gonna take the H piece. This one snaps right in here, right there. And I believe this will slide in here. And I got one hand here, so it's a little difficult. Okay, slide that in. That's in there. Next, you got your, what is this piece? I'll back up so you guys can see. That's what's going in there. I don't know if it matters which way it goes in. I don't think so. And make sure that your pieces slide into each other. You see how they're grooved on the bottom? So they could slide in. If I had two hands here, I could do this in 2 seconds. Nope, that bottom one didn't catch. Make sure that all your pieces slide in. See that? I'll back up so you can see. Make sure everything slides into the grooves. Okay, we'll slide this in. There it goes. And then this piece right here Same thing. Should slide in. Oh, looks like you need a connector piece. 1 second. We'll get back to this piece in a second. All right, so then we got this big airplane thing, and this is just gonna snap right in. There you go, got that piece in. I know this blue piece from the picture, this thing right here, goes right over here. And that snaps in. One of these ways. Oh, there's a little notch. You see that, guys? Little notch with the hole. So that's gonna go in right here. That's in. And the yellow thing right here snaps in there. Let me try to get my hand in there. There you go. That's in place. I think they build cars here. That goes in there. Or is it a car wash? Not sure. Whatever the kids want to dream up. Alright, you got this thing right here. Oh no, that goes over here, the blue thing, sorry. If I had 2 hands, like I said, I could do this. Alright, got that piece there. Goes there. And then this blue thing here. If I can snap it, there it goes. And this thing's supposed to fix the cars. The instructions, they're showing that you have a yellow one, but it's a red one. So maybe this one's a rare one or a new one, who knows. 2 car brushes. One goes there. And one goes there. Little car washer piece right here. One there. Snap it. 2 gray pieces like this. This piece right here snaps in. And there is a notch right here on the back. And what we're doing is sliding this on here. Let me show you guys what's going on. This one's a little tricky, okay? Alright, you see there's a notch on the inside, and it's sliding on this thing. Alright, there you go. You got that in. I put 4 pieces that look identical right here, and I've got one snapped in for you right here. So you just pop them in. That's how easy those go in. Right there, you gotta push it in better though. I got one hand, like I said. Sorry, I keep saying that. But push it in just like this one, and the bottom snaps in right away. These, and the white one goes on the bottom. Got that in. One of them is white, it's a little different. I end up with 3 pieces like this. I've already inserted one right here. It's so the cars don't fly off the edge. Let me try to get one in here for you guys. Just like this. That's it. So 3 of these. I think we went over almost everything except for one more thing. And that's the connection right here. Which is odd, it's not connecting. Oh, maybe I'm supposed to slide it in deeper. Oh, that's what it is. Okay. Video, we're looking for these 2 pieces. She just said she threw them in the garbage. She thought they were nothing.
The part that ships into the box.
So I was wondering what was going on. Yes, this is what we need. Alright, sorry about that. And I did this without instructions when I went over this with you guys. I did peek at them here and there, but... Okay, so this thing right here obviously slides in. Right here. Got that one in. Got this one in. And that little bubble facing up, okay? So you guys can do this. It's not too hard. Hopefully the video helps you out here and there. Alright, so that's it. Slide that in. Alright, the whole thing's ready. It's all done. Googles, come play with it. Bathroom. While his sister's coming. Whoa, we just kicked some cars. Put some cars on it. Cars, I think. Is it 4 or 5 of them? Not sure. Bunch of them over here. Assembled, kid. Get over here. I don't know what the monkey, how you supposed to work the monkey. Not sure. I'll let him figure it out. But maybe he slides up and down. Not sure. Oh, it is a gorilla. You're right. There is something over here. Look. You put a car over here. It's like a escalator or something. I don't know, is that an elevator or escalator? You can put a car on it so it can go into the garage.
You can put the car on the airplane like fly.
Now he's just got to fill it up with 140 cars, I think he said. He knows more than I know. He probably watched a YouTube video. Oh, there is some stickers right here to put on.
There's a commercial. This
Yeah. These stickers right here, you want to put one on level, I think you put them right here.
Levels?
Yeah, it says garage 1, parking. That's probably parking.
Daddy, can you move
and
move
you
the
stick them right
airplane?
here.
Can you move the
on each one.
airplane?
I think you can move the airplane. It just comes up, and then you can put
No,
cards in the
what
airplane
is
too.
this one?
Right here. Which one?
This one. That's parking for.
Here, look. Put a car right here.
What is this? A slide for the car?
Look, you guys. Hit this lever. Go-Go's, hit that lever. The yellow lever. No, this one. Right here. This one. Move that car, Ava. Accident! Uh-oh. Take it to the body shop.
What is this?
Oh, I think if he hits the monkey comes flying down, maybe? Is that what happens if he's up in the sky? I'm not sure. Is
No,
that a
this
button
is-
for something?
this
Well, we'll
is-
figure out how to play with it soon.
If it hits the cars,
Yeah.
and the cars fall off track.
Oh, they do?
Yeah,
Oh, or does he keep them in place when they're going down it in a circle?
maybe.
I'm not sure either. We'll figure it out one way or another. Accident! Take it to the body shop. This is your body shop where they fix the cars and they clean them. Look! Oh, look at that! Look when you turn the turntable. Fixing the car. All right, so hopefully this video helps you on how to assemble it, and thank you for watching. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Go buy one. Go play with one.